Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into the DASHAWN Jordan SB Dunk Low early review. Excuse me, almost forgot his name there for a second. My apologies on that, but this is a very dope SB Dunk Low. I've been waiting to get these in. I've been excited for this pair for a minute. Since we seen it leaked early, I was like, okay, since DASHAWN Jordan himself has been previewing it, and a couple of locations, I was like, all right, these are nice. I need to get these in hand and see what they look like. We actually got a couple pairs today, which I'm very happy about. If anybody needs it, hit my Instagram again. It's in my bio down below. But I also have a raffle for this size 13 going on my Instagram. So if anybody wants a chance to win this pair right here for like 20 bucks, they can go there. But aside from the promo and all that, we'll just kind of get into this. We're going to do a full unboxing for it, showing y'all this pair in depth with all its beauty. Because, man, these are very, very nice. So hope y'all will enjoy. Big shoe right there. That's the 13. So let's get into it. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you can do that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. Just check out, again, any of my socials I've been mentioning down below, my live pages. If you want to see me go live whenever I'm like selling some stuff, things like that. We go live occasionally. I'll be going live more often, actually, very shortly. Just stay tuned for that because we got some stuff with eBay actually coming up very soon. So y'all will see that on the horizon. Be doing some promo for that. Don't worry. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, everything is mentioned, that I did mention, excuse me, is down below in that pinned comment. So if you want to buy something, if you're interested in anything got for sale, you want to enter the DASHAWN SB raffle, need bulk supreme, again, all in the pinned comment. Let's get into it though. So first thing I'm going to say, again, we got the 13 right here, as y'all can see. There's the box label and everything y'all need to see. And you can probably tell with this right here, purple box SB. So with that small detail right there, I actually think these will probably come down a bit more in price. And sorry, just ignore this pimple right here. I know it's I know it's glaring, but it'll go away whenever it does. I don't know when, but we'll see. But basically, what we got right here, we're actually going to show all the SB now. So aside from the purple box, basically lets us know it's a GR though, and it'll have a little bit more stock, which I know some people like to hear that. But aside from that detail, let's actually just unbox this pair because the box really isn't the like important part of the shoe. You know what I mean? So aside from that, let's set these on the box and dive into all the details that we got right here. So as you guys can see with the DASHAWN Jordan SB Dunk Low, okay, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. You all right. So one detail I'm noticing right off the bat. So we got these here. As y'all see, they're called the Copperhead SB Dunk Low. Of course, I believe the colorway is based off actually the Diamondbacks, an Arizona team, but also just, I mean, well, a Copperhead. So yeah, also based off the snake. That's another, detail we can keep in mind. So you guys can see all of what we got right there. Very clean, kind of like a gray look to that. Gray and black. As y'all can see, that's kind of the main look on the outside of the sneaker. But there are some really cool details I want to show right here. So I'll keep the box. Hopefully this doesn't fall off my lap. But as you guys can see, standard black laces right on the top of the shoe right there. So that's what we got. And another detail right here, of course, this is actually probably one of my favorite parts. I really like this Copperhead emblem right on the front of the sneakers. Y'all see it's kind of like a bronze look. And look at that. It's clamped down, right? When it clamps down, look. It looks like a Copperhead biting. So, come on. Nice little detail right there. I thought that was pretty cool. This is a nice SB for a GR. Again, very, very surprised I like it. But if they kept these a bit more limited, I wouldn't have been surprised if they did that too. But these have a ton of extra laces too. Check this out. So you have black laces on it already, but look, they also come with black extra laces. However, these black extra laces are a little bit different. You can see they have purple, shiny, look, they got like purple shiny aglets, as you can see, right? See the aglets right there? They're purple and shiny. Then you look on the regular black laces here, look, they're not shiny, you know what I mean? So basically you get regular laces, no shine, and then fat laces with kind of like the shiny little portion at the end there. Then you got three other colors, which I'm loving. I love these two colors right here. For like, again, they're like a Hornets colorway pretty much. So, here down in Charlotte, I'm like, all right, these actually probably do pretty good with my locals. We'll see. But I just like this pair too. So you guys can see tons of extra laces. We have 4 different extra laces. So a lot of extra laces. We could say that. But aside from that, let me I'm gonna show the insoles in a second too, because they actually, keep in mind, have DASHAWN Jordan's initials on it, the D and the J. You can see the J right there. Kind of like that cursive font. I don't know if that's focusing, but you might be able to see that a bit. And then just a regular material on the inside of the SB. You can see nothing crazy, not like a velvet or crazy suede or anything. Just regular I don't know, like fabric. It's nothing nuts right there. But aside from that, let's look at the top of the SB right here. I'm loving this. Here we go. This is the type of stuff we need to see on this SB. So you can see Nike SB Dunk Low. And what does it say right there? DASHAWN Jordan. So I thought that was pretty cool. Again, shows who it's a collaboration with. A lot of people, they aren't going to just know by looking at the shoe. But if they're a sneakerhead, then they'll know that, right? So, you know, they might want to be like, who's this a collab with if they're new to sneakers? And they'll see Nike SB Dunk, and then they'll see DASHAWN Jordan. So there you go. That'll allow people to see who DASHAWN Jordan is. Gives his name a bit more, how to put this? Gives his name a bit more like notoriety. I don't know if that's the right word. It lets more people know who he is, though, basically. So good detail. Glad to see Nike's doing that. Aside from that, though, you guys can see on the other shoe right there, you guys can see the D cursive right there. We'll take the insoles out again to show that. I'll show all the heels in a second as well. And again, that little portion on the top right here, that copperhead, as you guys can see right there. So, thought that was pretty cool. And again, on the bottoms, I'll show all the soles in a second. There's a couple more details on the top of the sneaker and like right here. I want to show real quick. Like you can see, it actually shows purple all underneath. I don't think this like cuts away or anything. I mean, you probably, it does show purple and maybe it is. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, you could try. I wouldn't, honestly. I would leave it as is. But maybe there might be a purple swoosh underneath. I could be wrong on that because I think it's just fabric. But you see what I'm saying? Like maybe it could just be an outline though to make the swoosh pop a bit. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's probably what it is. But aside from that, let's just look at this right here. So what we got on the soles of the sneaker? Take a look. Soles right there, as you guys can see, kind of that black and purple look. Purple in the center, and then all black throughout the whole entire soles of the sneaker. And then going right here, 1 second. Let me do this. All right, we're gonna tuck all this in. And here, sorry, I just had to tuck the laces in real quick. You guys can see the heel right here. As you always see kind of that white and purple look, or not white and purple, excuse me, blue and purple look right there. Kind of like a Hornets colorway. Again, that's why I've been liking the shoe so much. I'm like, it's kind of like a local colorway, you know what I mean? Because I'm down here in Charlotte, so I'm like, you know what, this kind of works. So, thought that was pretty cool. I really like the look with this SB. Again, I feel like a lot of people are going to be going for these. Very popular. DASHAWN Jordan is a fairly popular skater, so again, I feel like this will do pretty well. Like his name's got some, you know, people know who he is. It's a clean SB. I think they're easy to wear. Like, you know, I don't feel like this is an SB you really can go wrong with. So aside from me breaking it down, showing y'all, let's show the insoles real quick before we get into like B-roll shots and like going outside real quick to like review them with some better light. I'm not gonna wear this pair because I'm not a size, you probably know I'm not a size 13, okay? I got a friend that's the same height as me that's a size 13. I'm like a 9 to 10. I don't know how that works, but bro's got giant feet. It's pretty funny, actually. we try and get him the heat, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. He misses out a lot of the time. But he gets some, you know what I mean, here and there. All right, let's show all these insoles real quick. Shout out size 13 gang, though. I respect you guys. So I thought there was gonna be more on the insoles, but it's there's nothing on like the bottom or anything. It's literally just I'm not even gonna put that. I'm sorry, we're not even gonna take the other one out because it's literally just D and J. You'll see it on my Instagram though. If you want to check my Instagram to see full detailed photos, go there. You'll see the insoles, everything up close. But I mean, here's it up close. I got you. The other one just says D. Exact same thing underneath it. Underneath it is a it's a copperhead. Okay, so it's the letter with a copperhead going through it. As you can see, look at that. Boom. We're learning more as we take closer looks. So that's that. The other one just the same thing, letter D. Hopefully that helps. But yeah, the other reason too I don't want to take both the insoles out is because they're size 13. So it took me like a minute to do that. But putting it back in, boom, look at that. All done. So nice and easy like that. But now let's do these B-roll shots. Maybe I'll take out the other one while we do the B-roll shots because I'll probably take my Instagram photos at the same time while we do that. So yeah, let's do this, guys. I'm gonna show all these up close without me talking over it, and then we'll do the outro, all that. But man, these are with all you see all the laces on top. We got 4 extra laces. I'll tuck those back in as well. But yeah, look at these, man. I mean, these probably one of the nicest GRSBs we've had so far this year. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I'm yapping. Let's go. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I think about the DASHAWN Jordan SB Dunk Low. I think these are very, very nice. Shout out to DASHAWN, Jordan, and Nike SB. Y'all made a banger SB right here. Let me know what you guys think about this pair right here. For me, I like it. I think it's, again, a clean colorway. You can't go wrong with kind of like the copperhead look, kind of that gray snake skin. Again, it is, I am noticing, someone actually shot me a DM the other day. Shout out my boy Bren. Hey, you're the GOAT, man. This is actually screen printed on, as you notice. It's not, so you can't feel the scales. I've been trying like this whole video. I'm like, why can't I feel the scales? It's because it's screen printed. So that's a small detail that maybe they could have made different, but maybe they noticed with like the Alexis Sablon SB, like they don't need to do all that. It'll sell the same for them. You know what I mean? Because with the Alexis Sablon SB, they made it like scaly. You could feel it. And the SB is like 90 bucks. Totally bricked. But I think these will be different. I think these will actually do pretty good. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we've been shooting for, as always, is 300 likes. If we could do that, that'd be great. If not, do not worry. Just check out, again, my Instagram post on these right here. We did a full detailed reel, and I'll do some shots on them. You're probably going to see the reel today. Tomorrow, y'all will probably see the detailed post where we post like the insoles and all that. Y'all will see that, so stay tuned. I'll make sure to like pin it up so y'all will see that at the top of my Instagram tomorrow, probably like midday-ish. And yeah, we're getting orders out, man. Y'all been going crazy. I'm buying stuff on the Instagram. I appreciate it, man. Y'all bought tons of kicks, streetwear, different things like that off me lately. Keep in mind, everything ships next day or the day after. Sometimes I just have to take a day to like pack or go get a box for like a certain item. So yeah, that's really all we were doing for it. And yeah, sorry if you hear my cat being a little crazy girl. She's literally just digging a hole in the ground right now. I don't even know. Being crazy, but hey, there's a little photo of my crazy girl right there. We love her, but hey, I mean, the craziness, not really, but I mean, you know, I can deal with it. It's all right. I appreciate my cat. And oh, here she is. Hi. We just finished. Yeah. You want to come say hi now? This cat's been running around my feet the whole video. I've been trying to record here. Daily thing. If you've been here before, you know, but we love her still. All right, buddy. We're going to finish up. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. All my socials, live pages, everything are down below the pinned comments if you want to follow me on any of the platforms, Instagram, TikTok, whatnot, any of those pages. They should be there. And that's it. See y'all tomorrow on the next one. What am I forgetting? Oh, yeah. Big Instagram sale. Actually, tonight, I think. We're posting a lot of new items, so don't miss out there. And let me know what you think about these. All right, sorry. See y'all tomorrow on the next one. Long outro. Peace out.